been an Oryx user for almost 4 years now. We started September 2017. The features I like best about Oryx is the integration with Dr. John Coyce's concepts. Basically, it's always updated every time there's something that Dr. Coyce is implementing. You know, you wake up one day and there are new features. So the other thing is also being cloud-based because, you know, I've worked in offices where I had EagleSoft Dentrix, and I just didn't like the, you know, the lack of being able to access it off-site or having to remote in and have the lag with the remote connection. The patient experience have definitely increased in terms of satisfaction. We have a lot of, our patient base is mainly high tech, so they really appreciate the technology, the advancement, the ability to be able to do things from an iPad or to do it at home before coming in. Also the pictures when they're filling out their medical dental history forms, it helps them understand what we're asking them and also how comprehensive it is. I believe Oryx does set us apart from the competitors just because of our constant improvement in, you know, in every aspect of it. In comparison to other software, Oryx definitely, well, first of all, it's beautiful. It looks very advanced. The biggest thing that my team had said when they first saw Oryx is that it doesn't look like it's from the 1990s because that's what Dentrix looks like and other companies. But really the biggest thing is that I feel like it's not just a software that stores data, it actually helps me interpret data. It helps me become a better clinician because instead of just regurgitating a lot of the information, it actually helps summarize everything and just streamlines it so that I can actually practice better. I do think there are time-saving benefits with Oryx in terms of just being able to, so when you're gathering a lot of information, you have to interpret the information, and that does take a lot of time. And with Oryx being closely integrated with Dr. Coyce's concept, I feel like a lot of the data is already interpreted. You just press a button and basically it summarizes everything for you. The Coyce principles were definitely not present in the other softwares. A lot of softwares, you usually use a lot of third-party softwares to be able to message patients or confirm or communicate basically. So one of the features that I really like is that how everything is just in one software. You don't have to have a third-party software for this thing. You don't have to have a third-party software for another feature. Everything is just all in one software. We've definitely given a lot of feedback to Oryx because since we are one of the first ones that that signed up, but it definitely feels great to see that your feedback is being, that they listen to you and you see the features that you've requested to show up on the software. So I definitely think that they listen and they try their best to implement the ideas that you suggest if they think that, a lot of other users are also requesting for the same features. So I definitely feel that Oryx is by far much better than a lot of other softwares out there. Just the ability to access it anywhere in the world, even if you're traveling, the ability to just practice better. I think it definitely will help any dentist, clinician do better dentistry.